Hey guys, this is Martin here. Are you still looking for jobs manually in 2025 and it's not working? So let me show you a smart way to do it with AI. Inside NA10 using SambaNova hosted models. So all you need is a free NA10 account and free SambaNova API key. So I will walk you through step by step. So see you there in full video.
Ready, so let's set this up in the quickest way possible. So first thing you have to do is you have to create your free NA10 account. Then open this workflow link and now it's time to connect these 4 things. So first thing we have to connect is Google Drive. This is little bit tricky because you have to connect Google Drive through Google Cloud Platform. I'm also going to attach how to connect Google Drive into NA10, so that will help you to connect Google Drive inside NA10. Then we have to connect Google Sheets. This is where all your job matches will be stored. Then the third part is AI model. I'm using SambaNova hosted models because they are the fastest and free. And the fourth part is Telegram. It's optional. I connected Telegram for instant job alerts on your phone. So that's it. Simple setup and your AI job search assistant is ready to work for you. So this is the workflow and how it works in the easiest way. So first thing, it reads your resume from Google Drive. It takes your resume filter from a simple Google Sheet. It finds new roles on LinkedIn automatically. Then SambaNova's AI checks every jobs, gives you a match score and writes a cover letter for you. And the best job are sent straight to you with all details in Google Sheets, and you also get alerts on Telegram. Now it's time to give you a live demo on my own resume to see how this automation is working. This is the new way to job search. Fast, precise, powered by SambaNova's RDO technology, smart matches, instant insights, and opportunity delivered automatically. This is what modern job hunting should feel like. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you need any help or support, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help and support.